Bulavanaka. My name's Kwesi. And my name's Sariana. Happy Palm Sunday.
And today we are making Fijian Pikelet. Let's get started. This is a very simple recipe, very quick and very easy to make. So let's go through those ingredients. Everything that I need is right in front of me here. Right, for my family, I'll put in three cups of plain flour. That's 2. And that's 3. Then 2 eggs. You need 2 eggs. Beat the eggs in a different bowl. That's a bit rough. Add a bit of milk in it. And then you whisk the ingredients. Alright, once that's done, pour a little bit of vanilla essence in it. I need a bit of milk. Then on your dry mixture, put 2 teaspoon size of sugar. Mix it up. Right. Then you pour the milk into the flour. Okay. And you keep mixing it. Now that doesn't look like the result that you want for the pikelet, so you're gonna add more milk into it. Back in the village when I was young, there was no electricity, so no one had fridge to store milk in it. We never use milk to mix pikelet with. We only use water. Just 3 ingredients of flour, water and sugar, and that's it. It still tastes good. Okay, look at that. That's how you want the mixture to be, running like that. When you do that, when you see this, that's it. That's how you want it. It's good. Okay, that's done. It's gonna go on a hot plate now. Right, barbecue's on now. It's gonna go on the hot plate. So I'm leaving the barbecue to heat up for a while. and then we get started. Right, with the hot plate I'm going to use oil spray. Oil spray is much easier for pikelet. If you don't have oil spray, pour oil into a bowl, a small bowl, and use brush to brush the hot plate. If you don't have brush, use cloth or use kitchen roll can work too. Okay, time for pikelet to go in now. I'm gonna put a bit of oil on a hot plate, and you spread the oil all over the hot plate. Now Fijian pikelet, they usually thin. So once you pour the mixture on the hot plate, and then you have to spread it. That's it, pikelet is cooked. So with this hot plate, you can easily put two together. And with the pikelet size, it depends what size you like. I normally do that size, so I'm happy with that. Masuk. Turang abna sa balik na sini kuwa, abna balik na lolom, abna balik na warutak, hindi tayo matakali lay, dan butul man bulukin maraw. Walang tanay soli, baka ni kito nakakanubal, yung bata na nung niloloma. Tiwa tayo kito na sini kuwa, anong sa nito wala mulong, baka sa nito wala chisun wala mulong. Amen.
Amen.
Okay, how do you like yours, Keresi? No roll? Just like that?
I can do.
Serena, do you want yours? Ooh. You're gonna roll it, okay?
I want mine cut down.
Okay, got it.
Right. Okay, rolling. Then I'm just gonna cut it out. No. I think
You,
yeah, we'll cut the
Yummy? Okay, Fijian pikelet goes with everything. Para, kids love it with maple syrup. Para, jam. In the village we do lemon, and we mix lemon and sugar, and you spread it on top and you eat it. Number one. Enjoy. Is it nice, Karesi? Yeah, do you like it? So, you want her to make it another time? Yeah? Yeah, nice. So my kids love it. Easy and simple. Hey boy, did you like it? Oh yes.
I don't think I've ever tasted anything yummier than
Sorry?
this is better than pancakes.
You reckon?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'm glad you liked it. And I'm glad you liked it too.
Can you please pass me the...
Sit, sit.
Next time if we make extras, I'm having 12.
12?
Not me. Look at it!
Alright. One away, one away. Good boy. One away. You want some more, boy? Yeah? Okay. There you go. Okay. Right, it turns out my kids love this Fijian pikelet. They want me to make it again. I'm down for that. Okay, that's it from us today. We hope you enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to subscribe. Like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube, and we'll make more video. Until then, sawoti.